Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Today we're bringing you a piece of our used inventory. Actually, this is a 2019 Nautique Super Air G23. This boat was actually optioned with the XR7 supercharged motor as well. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see we've got this awesome tan interior. Looks really classy out there on the water, matches really well with the red. We do have a full power tower with 4 JL audio speakers, as well as our expanding Bimini from Nautique, and our reversible seat right down there. As we step inside, one of the really nice things about these Nautiques is you are going to have full covered storage on every single one of your spots. So that's all in floor. It's really nice. Keeps everything safe whenever you're storing it, as well as your bags. As we step towards the helm, you can see we have our full touchscreen. It's going to be on that right side. Makes it really easy when you're driving. This boat has a really bow down attitude, so it's nice. Makes it really easy for you to drive. And then also this rotary wheel that's over here is going to control everything on that touchscreen, which is really nice. You don't have to be leaning forward and trying to touch stuff whenever you're driving. Makes it safer and a little bit easier for you. And on this port side over here, we have a full storage compartment. Again, that's fully finished all the way through. There's a ton of storage in this boat, so you're not going to have stuff just sitting out cluttering up the boat. And then finally, as we step forward, you can see we have our awesome bow seating. This middle part right here is actually removable and it flips. So you can have a full lounge up here, or you can have a full walkthrough so nobody's stepping on your cushions when you're out there. Again, this is a 2019 Nautique G23. My name's Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Give us a call and we can get you squared away.
Here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, we are your one-stop shop for all things boating. We carry top brands such as MasterCraft, Aviara, Sea Ray, Premier Pontoons, and Crest Pontoons. We are here to guide and take care of you throughout the whole purchase and ownership of your boat. Whether you're looking for competitive in-house financing, needing gear from our fully stocked pro shop, or maybe you need to set up an appointment with our highly regarded service team, we offer everything you need for a great day out on the water. To check out other boats like this one, visit us online at marinemax.com.